Welcome, everybody. Thanks for stopping by to see me again today. This is Elaine. I just wanted to show you a couple of books that I found at Goodwill. I truly do want your opinion on this. I don't know quite what I should do, I guess. The first book I got is this In Darkest Africa. And I'm not so sure you're going to be able to see this, but the continent of Africa is like embossed in this. Raised lettering on the words. It's got a signature in gold. It's a pretty cool book. It is also from, I believe it was 1890. See if we can see that. 1890. So, my question is, should I destroy this book? As you can see, it's kind of separating from its spine. The inside, you can see the stitching. It's been really pulled on, I guess. It's intact. I really have no interest in the book, other than I was going to use it, in collage and in journals. So I want your opinion, though, because the book being that old, I mean, that's like 130 years old. Should I just keep it intact? I don't know. I honestly don't know. The next book I got, and again, I want your opinion, is in this pretty cool sleeve that is like chipboard, cardboard. It's pretty stout. There's really no markings on it. I think it's nice. The book that came with it is Essays by Emerson, and it's in pretty good condition. Now, this book is not all of that old. I think, copyright is 1978, and it is 4 essays from Emerson that are, of course, in poetry form. The first section is self-reliance. The next section, if I can find it here, the next section is prudence. The next section, here we go. Section number 3 is wealth. And the last section is, I'm looking for that page where the picture is. It's right behind there. And then the last essay is history. And like I said, that's all like in poetry form, that I figure, I could cut out phrases and sections and do in journals and collage, and it would be pretty cool. But I don't know. The book is in good shape, and it also has an embossed E on the front for Emerson. It's a very cool book. I guess my concern is the fact that it fits so nicely in here. You know that if I start journaling and collaging in that book, it will never fit in that sleeve again. It'll be so fat. So once again, do I keep this? So I would really appreciate any comments that you could make here on my YouTube channel. Let me know your opinion. Yes to destroy them, or no, keep them intact, or yes and no or yes. I do really want to hear from you. I honestly, of course I want to. That's why I bought them. But I've talked myself out of it. But I don't know. So please let me hear from you. I appreciate you stopping by. And if you have subscribed to my channel, I greatly appreciate you. And if you haven't, please do. I've got some other things that I want to share that I think are different and unusual. And you never know, something may strike you that, oh, I need to do that, or that's a great idea. And I may use a weird material that you think you won't get, but perhaps you have something close. Like I've done vinyl flooring. You don't have to necessarily do vinyl flooring. You could do a piece of wood or a piece of cardstock or something. You could switch it up. I'm trying to get some ideas out there, so things don't go to the landfill, and that we can upcycle and recycle things. So again, thanks for stopping by. And yep, I would appreciate a thumbs up from you. And I hope to see you next time.